Well, hi, we're back again. Just left you 10 minutes ago. We want to play some more. We got a sickness with gambling, okay, like most people do. It's not really a sickness. A lot of fun. We go to Vegas, we go to Biloxi, we go to Florida, gamble all over, but this is great gambling right here on Chumba. You win more, odds are better, and we enjoy it so much more. We're on Monsoon Dragons, a brand new game they just introduced, and kind of crazy. We got our cowboy outfits on, so the next time we'll put some, I don't know, karate, whatever it is you put on, whatever it is, that would fit in with the settings. But anyway, we're going to play some of this again. We just got finished playing it a little bit, and we did pretty good with it, and we were betting, it's 50 cents now. We were betting $1, so let's try it for 50 cents, and we'll probably...
You're on free coins right now.
Oh, I'm on free coins. My wife's yelling at me. Okay. And here we go. Let's see. Does it have a 50 cent? Yeah, it does.
That's the minimum.
That's the minimum, 50 cents. We're going to try the minimum down no lower than 360, okay? And here we go. We just won pretty good on it, so let's see what it does for us now. Let's have our bet.
One of the free games.
I'm gonna do down to 375, and then my wife, she had some good luck today with it, and then she can take over. Oh, that was a wild one.
Spitting dragon. He spits.
I didn't see that one.
He spits.
Oh, this is not the game I want. 409? No. I thought we were on the good new game. Wait, no, let it go. Just let it go a minute. Okay, go back to 380. I didn't know we were in this old game. That's crazy.
You want to go back to Money Train 3 is what you want to go back to.
It wasn't this game we won. It was Money Train 3, the new Money Train 3. So I'll play a few of these.
This is an older game.
It's an older game, and we have done well with it. But I think I'm going to go to the new game. Bonus award. This doesn't do very much unless you get lucky. You get right across. It walks and talks. It doesn't talk, and it doesn't give you that. 10 cents.
Ooh, a nickel.
Oh well. Hey, a dime's better than nothing, right? Next best thing to playing and winning is playing and losing. Yeah, but we didn't lose there. Here we go. So I'm going to get a few more spins, then we're going to go to this other game.
Go back to the Crazy 20.
All right. 380 or 375, I don't know. What I'm trying to get is, all right, wow, that was good. We're trying to get free games, okay? And they're hard to get. But when you do, it's fun. It's a lot of fun. It does well. You got your choice of picking what dragon you want to play. The one that spends the least pays the most. All right, that wild card keeps on coming up, which is nice. There he is again. Wow, he's all over the place. All right, let's go. Free games. We'll go to 375.
I'll try the other one. This guy gonna walk?
No walking, no talk. Yeah.
He's a walker.
He walks, but he don't pick up anything.
Not really.
10 cents. Whippy, come on, give us at least 15 cents. And here it is, right there. 36 cents, and he's off the screen, and we still got another shot. And then he leads forever. He never gives you a win on that, ever. All right. What do we got here? Hey, good hit. $1.90, almost $2. Doing good. 12 cents. Lost 38. 46, lost 4. Hey, it's okay. As long as you're getting something. Oh yeah, this will be good, all those 10s. This is going to be good. Got 5 10s there. Yeah, that's nice. I have to get way back up again. Thank you. Back to 384. This is a good time of the day to gamble, we found out. This is when we won more There's the free games right there that I want. I need 3 of them. They're hard to get. I think I'm going to call it at 380 and go into the new game that they just introduced. Is this thing hitting right now?
No, she's not doing what you want it to do. That's it.
Oh yeah, that's good. No, it is doing fairly good. You can't complain. What did we start with? 380? We're still at it.
Yeah,
So, yeah, we haven't lost anything. So 375 is where I'm going to go to at the lowest. So to get the free games, that'll make all the difference. Come on. 1. No, we need, there's 2. There's 2 again. It gives you 2 a lot. I'm doing quick spins to do that. Yeah, here we go. It's going to hit. I know it. Boom, bing, bang.
No.
Yeah, boom, bing, bang. I got bumped off. Sounds like a gangster got bumped off. Hitman. There's 2 again. All right.
And he's sticky. He will stick. Or I thought he would.
I don't know whether to get out of this or not. 370. That's I'm gonna leave. I just hoping for the free spins. But one night I went for hours before I got the free spin. And then another night it wouldn't stop hitting. You get 4 of these.
They stick.
They stick around. They don't go. I don't know how to dress up for this particular game. Japanese. I have to get a Japanese outfit, I guess. Is that Japanese?
I think so.
Japanese.
Dragons. Chinese dragon. Could be Chinese too.
There we go. 1 more. Do good. Oh yeah. That should be good. What did we win totally here? Let's see. 325. Not bad. Give us some more shots to get the free game. That was a fast spin.
You're a walking dragon too.
Oh, good hit. $1.45 plus a walking dragon. That's what you want to see, all those jacks running right where that dragon is. Come on, 3 of a kind. Oh, 46 cents. Oh, I see how it works now. I wasn't sure. I misunderstood. You got to get 3 of a kind nest anywhere. Doesn't have to be where the dragon is. 2 of a kind. Oh, and he's wild, so that makes it 3 of a kind. I see. Okay. Kings. Yeah. Come on, hit. All right. Not bad. Not bad at all. Come on, wild. No, come on, free games. Free spins, let's go. I think we're going to leave this. Oh, I said 370, so I'll wait till 370. Got these guys again. 5 cents. Come on, give us 5 of a kind. Make it worth our while. Or fill the whole board up with this queens or anything. I don't care. Okay, let's go. 48 cents. We have 1 more dragon. Oh, 2 more, excuse me. No, 1 more. 1 more to go. Come on, baby. Yeah, that's good. That's very good. Nice. Very nice. Now, can we get the free games? Free games. Free games. Free games. try it down to 370.
Okay. Just tried it. Okay.
My wife's taking over. We'll get the camera right. There you go. Very good. Force her to smile sometimes. She's pissed off today about something with me. I don't know what it is.
Let me see.
No, you're married, you know. Us men have to eat crow a lot.
Okay. Here we go.
You got it. Come on. Get it. Yeah.
You screwed me.
Okay, but you game close. Oh, wow. Nice one.
52
Gave you
cents.
2-cent winner.
52.
Yeah, or you're betting 50.
370. And then we go to That's a nasty thing. He spits.
He spits. I don't care if he's nasty. Keep on spitting good
That's probably
stuff.
water. I'm not sure.
That's spit crap. Gee whiz. What did we say we were going to?
370.
Okay.
And then we're gonna go back to the
One more spin.
other one.
Okay, we're gonna change course here, and I'm gonna play a little bit. My wife's gonna play a little bit. She doesn't want to give up. She wants to play. She doesn't want to give up the mouse. I'm sure you've all seen this with the gun and everything. Do you want to watch it again? I like it. Zap. There's 3 train games. This is the last one. I played the other 2. They're
So.
so-so. They're not bad. This one is very good to us. At $1 bet. But I think we'll drop it to 50 cents.
It goes to 20 cents.
Okay, do it 60s and see what happens.
Like that.
Because it's done so well for us, I'm kind of worried that it wants to do any more for us. Down to 350s as low as we go. Come on, baby. This can do so many different things. That's what I like about it. That was $1.38 win. Another win, $1.80. What you want to get is respin or 3 of the bonuses. If you get the respin, I think my wife said it's random, I think.
Here it is.
So you don't know when it's going to happen.
Something will stick up there to give it all together.
Oh, we needed a clover over there. Is that a clover?
It's a spade.
Is that right there? Oh
It's a
yeah,
spade.
it's a spade. Oh yeah, it's the cards. What am I thinking? Hope you're all having a great day. We are. $0.36. All right. Sounded like I was going to win $1,000 there. Oh, she wants to take over. She's tapping me on my leg. It's like, I want to play. Well, at the grocery store today, she bought this stuffed animal for our little dachshund.
He likes it.
Who rips everything apart. I said, how long will that last? She said 5 minutes. 5 minutes. $5. She got it.
No,
Now she's going to take over.
He did not tear it up. He was excited to death to see
Yeah,
it.
tomorrow it'll be.
He might
All
take
the
a wing
stuffing
off.
will be out of it.
Take a wing off.
come on, let's do something, hon. Or do you want the magic can? This is a magic can. It wins a lot. She gets so mad. The magic can. Look at her, she's even smiling at me. Angry at me. Alright, good win. 720.
Concentrating here.
Put your head down a little, see what it's like. I'm 84 years old. Still going strong.
Magic hand.
No, she wants the magic hand. Now I've got control of this, the magic hand. It really is a magic hand. You watch and see. Watch and see the magic hand. See how good the magic hand is? Now, bonus or a respin? I want you to see it. That music, it sounds like something gonna blow up. He salutes.
Yeah.
I was in the service, so he's collecting.
Green guy is a sniper.
Those are quick spins, as you can see. That was a quick spin, not bad. Why didn't I get the other wild card there? I don't know why. Wow. Still wasn't bad. I guess I know I think they have to touch. Come on, baby. Don't disappoint the magic hand. I think I'm going to give it back to my wife. The magic hand ain't doing so great. Let her go to 340 and that's it. We got to take a chance and hope we get something there. That's what gambling's all about. But I'm going to take it up to $1 and see what she can do. She's got 15 spins.
Okay. Let's see what we can do here.
15 spins. She gets nervous. She's always been a 20-cent better. Never wins on 20 cents. I gotta bet at least 50 cents. 340. Oh wow, that's good. I think. $2.30. $1.30 win. I would have thought that would have been more the way it
You would have
sounded.
thought.
This should be the time to hit the bonus, honey. Or the respin. That's good. $1.50.
Well, at least we're not losing yet.
Get some more diamonds there. More spins. Oh, she got the respin. Not very many up there. Come on.
That's the one that's
multiply. What?
There's one. We'll keep getting.
The other day today we had it was 54 times 54.
That was in the bonus.
Oh, that was in the bonus. I'm sorry. Well, this is doing pretty good. Come on, yeah, it's filling up. I don't know what happens if you fill it up. Ooh. Only 3 more slots. Come on. No, there it goes.
That's it.
What did we win here? Hey, that's pretty good. Very good. Nice. Oh, it's even bigger. Look at this. Hey, she had the magic hand. Holy mackerel, it's still going. That thing, $144.
You're kidding me.
My gosh. Look at this.
That's nice.
Almost $500.
Excellent.
You want the magic hand to take over?
You need to go set a corner.
Hey, no, what? No, I gotta do. Go ahead. Unless you do.
I want.
Go down to $4.90, then let the magic hand do it for you. Okay?
It's a magic hand.
She's telling me to go sit in a corner. She would like to do that, like I was a little kid when she gets mad.
Almost set with you.
Put your head down so they can see you.
They can see
you. Can see you laughing.
They can see me.
Making fun of me.
No, I'm not. I'm laughing with you.
All right, no, she's laughing, but watch this, folks. Just watch this, okay?
Okay,
the magic hand is going to do just 10 spins, and they're going to blow that thing up. Now, you
Be
watch.
144?
You just watch. Just watch. Watch what happens. We'll all see.
Yeah, we'll see. For sure.
Listen, I started this, Hat Man. Now she's taking over. The Hat Lady told me to go sit in the corner. You're not in the camera very well. Look at you. No, you're not. I hope somebody's watching this. I really do. I think this is one of our better sessions. But we're going to record it and put it on YouTube so you can watch it again. Again and again and again. You'll probably be watching this thousands of times. Come on. Okay, 480, and we're going to leave and come back later, maybe. We probably shouldn't. It's doing so well.
Yeah, this is the time of day we do well. Might not be on this, but it's on other things too.
475, like I said. See what the magic hand can do. Maybe I'll get the bonus. Boy, that was a big respin she got. 470. I'm not done. Yes. 440, alright. I told you the magic hand. This is the magic hand. This is the double magic hand. Now I'm left-handed, but I can't. Oh, what did I do there?
You didn't do anything.
No, I hit that thing. What is that?
I think you changed the volatility.
The speed?
The speed.
$1.20. Look at the magic hand.
You changed the speed.
So this changes the speed.
I think so. Watch how fast it goes.
I'm going to try a couple of this. No, I don't like that. It's a little bit fast for me. No, I won. I'm just going to try a couple more spins. One more. Ooh, here's that green one. Back to slower. 2 more spins. My wife's going to take it to 450 and we're going to call it a day.
Exactly. Where he loses all my $144.
Actually, what we're probably going to do is bank some of this. You know, it goes right straight to your bank. Good hit. 590. She wants to play real bad, but I decided when I get to 470, we're going to leave. And she's going to want to kill me. I'm going to cut it off. I got control of this. Oh, we get along so well. She hurt her foot real bad, and she carries a cane. That's a good hit. And in the grocery store today, she swung it at me.
You had it coming.
You know that, like the movie said, he had it coming. Gee, well, she just took over. That's ridiculous. That is totally ridiculous. The magic hand leaves, and the new magic hand starts almost up to $500. All right, 480, we're done. Unless you think we're stay over into winning. Okay, wait a minute, Jeff. 488, 708. Let me see this.
Those are 28 increments.
All right, let's try $1.20 down to $4.65. Leave it at that. Go ahead. You've done so well.
Okay, we'll see what we do.
See what happens. $4.65. Okay. $1.20 is not so good, but we're going to stick with it. So the magic hand's got to take over at 120. $1.20 is not working at all. $4.50. Sure like to hit the bonus at $1.20. Look at this. $1.20 is not working at all. She says my hand sucks. We'll see about that. Let's try $1.40. Down to $4.40 and that's it. And then we stop. Down to $4.40 and we're going to quit. Jeez. She took over.
And that's the good guy. He's a high payer. If we can get him.
She just took that away from me just now. Look at this. Oh wow. Times 3. Times more.
5.
Times 10. Oh, we got a bunch of them there.
That's
But no multipliers.
Times 5 over here.
Oh.
This could be.
No, it wasn't. $11.20. That's what you got.
Stinking lie.
$1.20 bet. $1.40 bet. Okay. $4.50. That's it. You didn't have enough multiplications like times 50. That's holy mackerel. That's got to be good. I mean, really good.
I got guns.
The magic hand. I don't get this. What? Unbelievable. My gosh. She's making a fool of me. See, this is what she does. Now she's got it up over 600. The magic hand, should the magic hand take over? Everybody has. So just let her play.
You go right over there.
No, she ain't sure. I want the magic hand. I want. God. Let me do it down to 600. Watch here. We go. The magic hand. I'll only go down to 610. All right.
And then I'll take over.
There it is. The magic hand did it.
$1.12. Whoa, we're burning it up.
I'm going to 600. We're going to call it a day. No, magic hand. I'll let her take over. She's just such a smart aleck today. Let me see. What have I got? I'll go down to 610. There. Give it to her again. Look at that. Look at that.
Ooh, $1.96.
What's this?
Where you want to stop?
6 more spins. 5 more. It's not even that. Drop it down to $1 and take 5 more spins. There we go. 600. Three spins. Do something. Respect. Bonus. We haven't gotten a bonus yet. Come on. Bonus.
We didn't.
Okay, we're done. We're done.
Well, okay. We're done for the day.
You got this moving around and we're done. Yeah.
Well, okay. We got to go now.
No, we're done, yes. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a lot of fun.
I did.
It gets more comical.
I did.